In a world that often seems dominated by perfection and excess, the allure of Wabi Sabi interior design lies in its celebration of imperfection, simplicity, and the beauty of the natural world. Rooted in Japanese philosophy, Wabi Sabi has gained popularity as a unique and refreshing approach to interior design. In this video, we'll explore 10 things you might not know about Wabi Sabi interior design. And how you can embrace its principles to create a harmonious and serene living space. The essence of imperfection. Wabi Sabi embraces the idea that perfection is an illusion. Instead of striving for flawlessness, this design philosophy encourages an appreciation for the beauty found in imperfections, such as weathered surfaces, cracks, and natural variations. 2. Simplicity with purpose. Wabi Sabi interiors are uncluttered and free from excess. Every piece in the space has a purpose and meaning. By eliminating unnecessary items, the design fosters a sense of calm and mindfulness. 3. Connection to nature. Nature plays a central role in Wabi Sabi design. Organic materials like wood, stone, and clay are used to bring the outdoors in, creating a sense of harmony and grounding. Natural textures and colors reflect the changing seasons, connecting the space to the world outside. 4. Embracing the passage of time. Wabi Sabi interiors age gracefully. The wear and tear that comes with time are seen as part of an object's story. This design approach encourages us to appreciate the journey an object has undergone, rather than simply its appearance. 5. Unconventional beauty. Objects that might be considered unconventional or even flawed in other design styles are celebrated in Wabi Sabi. A chipped teacup, a weathered door, or a handmade ceramic with irregularities can hold a unique charm that adds character to the space. 6. Mindful placement. In Wabi Sabi design, every element has a specific place that contributes to the overall balance and energy of the space. The placement of objects is intentional, creating a sense of flow and ease. 7. Emotionally resonant objects. Wabi Sabi interiors are adorned with items that hold personal meaning and evoke emotions. Whether it's a cherished heirloom or a handmade craft, these objects bring a sense of warmth and nostalgia to the space. 8. Impermanence and transience. Wabi Sabi design acknowledges the impermanence of all things. This awareness encourages a greater appreciation for the present moment and a letting go of attachment to material possessions. (9) Minimal color palette. Neutral and muted color palettes are common in Wabi Sabi interiors. Earthy tones like beige, brown, and gray create a soothing and serene atmosphere that complements the overall philosophy. 10. Finding beauty in the mundane. Wabi Sabi encourages us to find beauty in the everyday and the mundane. A ray of sunlight filtering through a tattered curtain or the gentle patina of a well-loved table tells a story that adds depth and soul to the space. Wabi Sabi interior design is more than just a style, it's a way of life that embraces the imperfections, simplicity, and natural beauty that surround us. By integrating the principles of Wabi Sabi into your home, you create a space that not only reflects your unique personality, but also encourages mindfulness and a deeper connection to the world around you. So, let the philosophy of Wabi Sabi guide you as you curate an interior that speaks to your soul and celebrates the beauty of life's fleeting moments.